Do you know that physics is about how things move and why things move? It was Isaac Newton who discovered the three laws of motion. Let's first learn about the first law of motion. It is called the law of inertia. Objects will remain at rest or in a uniform motion in a straight line unless you acted upon it by an external unbalanced force. To understand the law completely, we need to learn about the inertia first. See, this is a very large car. What's special about it? It's stable and it's not moving. Go ahead and try to move it. Oh, you can't. It's not willing to move. You can't move it as it is very large. Now try to move this small bag. Good. You can move a little bit, but you added a little bit of effort. Even the smaller things don't want to change their position. They don't want to move. Even the small stone takes an effort to move. This is the first rule of physics.
Now let's move to Newton's second law. Newton's second law talks about how fast an object would move. It states acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and amount of force applied. In mathematical terms, Newton's second law states that force is product of mass and acceleration. To cause an object to accelerate, the force must be applied. The more force you applied, the quicker you accelerate. Look at these two students. If you apply the same force on both students, check who goes faster. Mali.
Dapat.
See, a little girl pushed and it goes very far. Now, push this fat woman and with the same force. See, it does not go far.
Now let's move on to the third law of motion. See a boy pushing a tree. Third law of motion states that in an action, there's an opposite and equal reaction.